Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you how to create this back to school makeup look. It is 100% drugstore and 100% affordable, so the majority of these products you can actually get them from the drugstore, and I think one or two of them you can get online for very cheap. So this look I pretty much do every day when I go to work, so it is very quick, very easy to do and very affordable. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and make sure that you give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video guys. Bye! So the first thing that I'm doing is applying the One Heck of a Blot primer from Soap & Glory. This is by far my favourite drugstore primer because it keeps me nice and matte for at least 5 to 6 hours. Also it minimises my pores and it just feels really good, and it's really affordable as well. And instead of applying a foundation, I'm using a BB cream, and this is a Garnier BB cream in combination to oily, and I really do love this. This is in a shade medium. It matches me perfectly when I'm self-tanned, and it stays on for a very long time, at least 6 to 7 hours. It controls my oils, and it also contains SPF 20, so it's perfect for the summer. This is what I wear when I go to work. Also, if it's really sunny outside and I just want to have a little bit of SPF in my foundation, I do wear this as well. It's medium to full coverage, and it's just incredible. To conceal and highlight, I'm using the EX1 Delete Fluid Concealer, and this is one of my recent discoveries which I absolutely love. I use this all the time. It's full coverage, it blends in seamlessly, and it just looks so good on the skin. Then to blend all of this concealer in, I'm taking my beauty blender, and then to bake I'm using my Coty Airspun powder, and this just makes it so nice and seamless, and it makes sure that it doesn't crease throughout the day. And to bronze up the skin, I'm taking my Illuminate by Ashley Cosmetics Beach Goddess palette, and I'm using the shade Seychelles, and I also use this for the crease of my eye. This is a great all-round colour. You can use it for bronzer, you can use it on the eyes as well, and it's just an incredible palette. The next shade that I'm taking is St. Bart's, and I'm putting this on the outer third, and I'm also working this into the crease as well. Then we're going in with a blending brush and just blending out all of the harsh lines so it blends seamlessly together. And for my lid colour, I'm taking the shade Fiji, which is a beautiful shimmery pink shade, and I'm just patting this on the lid. The pigmentation is incredible with this, and you get so much payoff with it as well. Then I'm going back in with the same shade that we used for bronzer and for the crease, and I'm putting this on the lower lash line. Then I'm tightlining my upper waterline with the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon waterproof eyeliner, which I absolutely love. I've fallen in love with it. It's by far my favourite eyeliner that I use for the waterline, and it stays on all day. It's also waterproof and it's super affordable. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I do 2 or 3 coats of this. It makes my eyelashes look super long. It stays on all day and it just looks really good. Then I'm dusting off all of the powder that we used to bake the concealer, and I'm going on to the rest of the face. So for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink, which I love. I've become obsessed with this. I bought this in America when I last went. I also had to buy another one because I did run out of it. It's just a beautiful shade. It's very highly pigmented, and it looks almost the same as my favourite MAC Spring Sheen blush. It's a really good dupe for it, and it's super affordable as well. And then to highlight, I'm going back in with the Beach Goddess palette, and I'm using the shade St. Lucia. I'm putting this on all of the areas where I want to add highlight, so I'm putting it on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on my top lip, and then also underneath my brow bone as well. next are my brows, and I'm taking two of my favourite products. The first one is the Natural Collection Waterproof Mascara. I use this on my brows because it just creates a really nice colour. It lasts all day as well. It's also waterproof and sweatproof, so if I go to the gym it won't come off. And I use this by taking my Benefit Give Me Brow Wand. I put it in the mascara and apply it to my eyebrows. And the other product that I'm using is my favourite NYX Micro Brow in the shade Ash Brown. And the last thing to do are the lips, and for this I wanted to use a shade that was close to my natural lip colour but also added a bit of colour to it as well. So for lip liner I'm using the Victoria's Secret Velvet Line Lip Pencil in the shade Nearly Nude. I love this, I'm obsessed with the lip products from Victoria's Secret. And for lipstick I'm using the Rimmel Kate lipstick in the shade 42. It's a really gorgeous shade for my skin tone, and I love the way that this makeup look turns out every single time I create it. It's very quick and easy to do, also it's super affordable as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!